So has your Windows computer been crashing and you have to go and reinstall Windows because of the crash and it deletes everything and now you have to go re-download everything, re-customize everything to how you like it? Well, today I came with a solution to fix that, so it's not as annoying. It's called a Windows System Image. It's basically a backup where you can back up the OS and any installed programs and any files on your computer will be saved. You can just use this recovery drive. And it's actually really simple to do, like anybody can do it. They just have to watch this video. Once you have your USB or external hard drive plugged in, go ahead and go to Control Panel. And then just type in Backup. Then where you see Backup and Restore Windows 7, click on that. Then over on the left hand side, under Control Panel Home, you should see Create a System Image. It will be the first option. Click on that. Then it'll pop up with this window. And you'll see your external hard drive or USB. If you have multiple, go ahead and select the ones you want. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and keep it where it's at. Then click Next. Then it's asking you what drives you want to include in your system image. So if you're like me and you have multiple drives, you might want to include all of the drives, or maybe there's just one drive you want to back up. I'm already good with what's already selected. In my case, it is 100.34 gigabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And it says confirm your backup settings. The backup could take up to 101 gigabytes of disk space. So obviously I have enough, so that's okay. Go ahead and click Start Backup once you have all your drives selected. And I'll start backing it up. Once it's done creating a system image, it'll pop up with a box saying, do you want to create a system repair disk? A system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It also contains Windows System Recovery tools, which can help you recover Windows from a serious error or re-image your computer from a system image. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click No, but it might be actually a good idea to go ahead and do this. After that, you're all done. Now you have your system image of your computer. This will come in very handy, especially if you experience crashes with new Windows updates. You never know what's going to happen. I really suggest you guys do a system image backup of your PC. Anyways guys, this is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, get subscribed down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.